Thales, often regarded as the first philosopher in Western history, as well as the first scientist and mathematician, was born in 624 BC in Miletus, an ancient Greek city. Considered the founding father of Greek philosophy, Thales explained the world through natural philosophy and rational thinking diverging from reliance on mythology, a shift which was indeed revolutionary. Thales boldly claimed that water is the fundamental essence of everything, the originating principle of nature as a single material substance. He suggested that Earth was a flat disk floating on an ocean. While this might sound bizarre, it is believed that he employed rational hypothesis to come up with such a proposition. During his era, he was the first to explain events, such as earthquakes, using reason instead of supernatural powers. He was also the first to predict a solar eclipse. His insights in cosmology, astronomy, and geometry were significant. It's said that he determined the height of the pyramid by measuring the length of its shadow. He also was credited with 5 geometrical theorems. Thales died at the age of 78, leaving a profound influence on ancient Greek thinkers.